Hi, it's Kathy Andronikou, and today I'm going to show you how to make this stenciled card. For this project you'll need a card blank measuring 4 1/8 by 5 7/8 and two mounts measuring 3 3/4 inches by 5 1/2 and 3 5/8 inches by 5 3/8 inches. Take the medium size mount and the radiant neons in electric blue and electric green. Use a sponge finger dauber and add green to the edges of the card, leaving gaps for the blue. Next, take the blue and with another dauber, go over the edges where you haven't inked with the blue and blend in towards the green. You only need to do the edges because the middle won't show. This is now ready to mount onto the card. Next we're going to use the Crafter's Template word arrows. I'm using some scrap pieces of card and I place my template over the card and using a sponge dauber, using a twisting motion, I ink into the stencil. This gives really good coverage, as you can see here. I'm now going to show you how you can actually blend whilst you're using the stencil. First I go over the stencil with the electric blue, and then immediately after take the electric green and go over the top again, and this will give a sort of tealy colour. I'm going to create several arrows in the green, the blue and the teal. Once I have stenciled all my arrows, I'm then going to take the arrow and some more scrap card, and I'm going to build it up with layers of other card on the back and just glue together. I'm going to have approximately 4 layers. This will give it a chipboard-like effect once it's layered onto the card. Once they're done, I then cut out each of the arrows. Take the smallest size mount and use Irresistible New Sprout and spray onto the card. Make sure you put the lid on afterwards. Then take Irresistible Sky Blue and repeat the process. Take your arrows that you prepared earlier and arrange onto the card until you're happy with the positioning, and glue into place. Once you have done this, cut off any bits of the arrows that stick out over the edge of the card mount. You're then ready to adhere this to the base. Finally, attach both pieces to your card blank to finish. Thank you for watching. For more projects and techniques using radiant neons and irresistibles, please visit Imagine Crafts on Facebook, Pinterest and imaginecrafts.com.